Adinkra are symbols with distinct meaning traceable to rich proverbs that date back to the powerful kingdom of Kush. These iconic visual symbols represent objects that encapsulate evocative messages and communicate ancient wisdom, imperative for societal prosperity, national coherence, and community building. Originally created by the Akan people of Ghana and the German of Côte d'Ivoire in West Africa, Adinkra symbols convey keen aphorisms and concepts, thoughts, ideas, and important principles in images. Because of their highly decorative, expressive aesthetic, and captivating quality, Adinkra symbols are used extensively in fabric designs, pottery decorations, corporate identity materials, paintings, body ink tattoos, and advertising campaigns. They are also incorporated into walls, floor tiles, doors, ceiling designs, and other architectural features. In most cases, Adinkra fabrics are made by woodcut sign writing, as well as screen printing. Adinkra symbols also appear on traditional akan gold weights. The symbols are also carved on ritual stools and various other objects used in traditional ceremonies and for domestic use.